Hi guys, I'm back with my nail fantasy and I am happy that you are here as well. Let's have fun with our nails, and today I'm gonna show you some new stamping plate holders from Beauty Bigbang. And this is a warning to put on your sunglasses because it's gonna be blinding holo. So if you wanna watch this video, put on your glasses now. Okay, I hope you're wearing your holo glasses. It's like at the cinema today. We're gonna wear glasses so that you're not getting blinded too much. And I'm gonna show you the new holo stamping plate holders from Beauty Bigbang. Lisa was so kind and sent me both of them. Thank you so much, Lisa. All information about these two products, all technical and sizes and prices and all that stuff is in the description box below. I will link the direct links to them down in the description. Also my 10% code, which is just Chris, but it will be also in the description box, so check that out. Always, all products are down below. So these little two holders come in nice little tulle tutu bags. Is it tutu? Whatever, with these gorgeous purple bows. I mean, holo and purple, that's perfect. Doesn't get better than that. So now we're gonna take that out, and now you know why you had to wear glasses. Look at that. Isn't that awesome? Wow. Just wow. We have two sizes. Both of them are delivered in these pretty little bags, and you can reuse them. You can store the holders in them, but you can also reuse them if you want to give some candies to somebody. Really pretty packaging. I love it. And here they are. We start with the bigger one. I can open that, and then you see it's really thick outside, and this has this fleece type of inside, very smooth. And then in the large one we have 18 of these little compartments, which are one-sided, so you can fit 18 plates in here. You have two different positions to close it. So first you close it at the outer one, and then when you have more plates in it, you close it at this one here, and then you really have enough space to put in these 18 plates. Let's have a look what we can fit inside here. I was curious to see if you can fit plates that have a back, plastic backing here, and look, perfect. So this is a regular sized, medium sized Moyu London, Dixie plates, Born Pretty, all these brands you will fit in here. And then also, if you don't have a backing, this one is a peddler plate. I can put that in also, no problem. And I found something that is a little odd shaped, which is this Vistonia plate here. And also this is fitting in here, and you can move it around, and then you just close it. Perfect. Look how pretty that looks. Awesome. Just awesome. I love it. The small one is also really, really pretty. And you have 18 compartments in the small one, which are double-sided. So you can fit in plates from each side in one. So did I say 18? I meant 10. 10 double ones. So in the small one you will fit 20 plates. Sorry about that. And here I have already put something in. This is a clear jelly stamper plate with a backing. It's a square plate, regular square plate. Fits no problem. Easy, really nice. And on the back I have here a round plate. This is similar, or this is a Born Pretty plate, and you see that quite often. Then I have here one of these with the corners. Also this works, no problem. And of course the Beauty Bigbang plates, which are also square plates. They fit in perfectly here. And again, you close it up depending how many plates you have. And there is enough space here to fit in lots of stamping plates. What do you think? I love them. They are so pretty and sturdy. They are here in the middle. You have little metal closures that are on the outside. And again, this is very soft material and it's very thick. So it will not really tear or whatever. And here in the middle also you have these two closures that hold everything together. What do you think? Holo, holo, holo. I love it. Let me know if you have them or if you want to have them. I mean, I love them. Perfect. That's it already. That was it. If you have any further questions or comments, just leave them in the comments box below. If you enjoyed the video, I am happy if you give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. There will be a bubble popping up at the end. Just click on that. It doesn't cost you anything and you will not miss any of my future videos. Thank you so much for watching. I wish you all a wonderful time wherever you are, and ta-ta till next time.